How to add picture to your TikTok videos. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add picture to your TikTok videos. So first step, go to your TikTok application on your phone. Now tap post, that plus option in the center, tap there. Now tap on record. Now tap on effect and choose the effect with green screen. Now you have your picture in here. I'm gonna choose some picture. I'm gonna choose this picture. Now tap on record again. Now you have a video with a picture, and you can repeat this until you get the video you want with the picture you want. Tap on yes. And now this is your video with your picture. Tap on next. And you can upload your video with description and hashtags and tag your friends. Tap on post and you're gonna post this video. So this is our video. Hope it was helpful, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.